Woo! What is up, ladies and gentlemen? 2024, baby. We've made it, guys. We're here. Hopefully, you guys are all having an amazing day, man. Starting the market off right. Getting it in. Hopped on a little bit late here. It's 9:43. Still have to do my little analysis, guys. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys had an amazing New Year's weekend. Coming into New Year's, hopefully you guys are so green on the year. First trading day, so nobody's red, hopefully, coming into it, baby. Yeah, buddy. So we're gonna start it off. We're gonna start it off right, guys. Give me 1 second. Crank this down a little bit. Boom. Okay, that's fine. All right, guys. So coming in here, man, I was expecting something that didn't really happen. Kind of. So if we go back here, we go to the weekly time frame, guys. I did expect, and I'm not gonna lie, I did expect these new highs to come in, break, and coming through. Now we're in the new year. We're gonna see how much higher this can go. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if we start coming down a little bit for a little bit of a pullback back down to 460s. That would not surprise me. By the way, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Oh, let me tell you about them guys. Let me tell you about them fun folk over there at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin now up to $45,000. Let me tell you, buddies. If you guys stuck in a mere $4,000, you guys would be up about, what is that, like 10%? A little bit over 10% of your investment so far. So, congratulations. If you guys stuck in a mere $40,000, you guys would be at 5K. So, once again, basically another, like 12%. So, ladies and gentlemen, nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it at all. But, so, wait and watch and chilling out, guys. So, yeah, man, I'm kind of just going to chill out until I see a really, a decent play come about. I think, I'm not quite sure how this works right now. I have this one account, this loaded up. Oops, not this one. I have this loaded up, but there's something wrong with it, so I might have to load up, like, another one. That's kind of my game plan going in. I wanted to start fresh anyways, just because these are taking too long. But I think the reason is because of that damn monthly fee I forgot about. Alright, hold on. So yeah, that's basically it for me. I completely forgot about that little monthly fee thing, but I still have the account. So I'm not quite sure how that works. So what I might do is I might just go like crazy big size in it and then just test it out. But yeah, no, I definitely want to, what is it? I definitely want to load up another one really quick. Either today, probably today. Because I know they got that one sale going on right now. 80% off, but I'm kind of looking for that 90, bro. Kind of looking for that 90% off. Anyways, market bottom. I expect this, man. NQ on this nice pullback. ES and S&P really aren't following the same. If you go to -YM, this can confirm it as well. Is YM? YM's doing the opposite actually. So YM on a spike, NQ on a dump. Guys, yeah, I don't really expect that dump to hold up too much unless S&P continues here. Yeah, I mean that's really it for me. I mean that's kind of my thought process there when it comes to the NQ dump. I just don't really find it that, like, I'm not gonna take shorts off of this. Underneath 800, maybe you could have done a little bit of a trap pattern, not a bad play, but that's really about it. Anything else was kind of you know what I mean? Anything else was kind of like not my cup of tea. There we go. So yeah, we're good to go. Okay. So yeah, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna see here. I mean, it all depends, man. I don't know really. Like, let's see the volume on today. Look at that, bro. 250,000 candles, bro. 250K. That's how a freaking market open should look. Not this crap, bro. Nice, and then just dumps down to like 50K. Or was Friday bad? Was Friday good? Oh, Friday was good. Oh, Friday wasn't terrible. Market open volume wise, actually. I can't complain about. Wow, dude. Just wows us, bro.
Order filled.
Take 5 micros. I'm just jump in on the water side of it. We're just gonna see here. We're just gonna see. I just want to see what can happen here. And I think I am going to load up that other account while I'm in this trade. Just because I don't want to sit here and work on this account this entire time and then not even be able to, like, you know, get funded on it. That'd be bullcrap. Oh man, NQ coming down, baby. There it goes. All right, so it's set up now. I still have this one right here, obviously, but we're just gonna chill out on it, wait, watch, and see what happens on it. You know, I would expect some sort of pullback here to maybe the next sell-off. I want to see what happens. Essentially, you know, S&P had a little bit of a sell-off as well, so that's kind of the game plan on that. Chilling out, basically, guys. Chilling out. Mind over matter, baby. Look at that. Nice green to red. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I just see more of a pullback. Maybe a pullback into the next sell-off, though. NQ's just been dumping, though, bro. So you can't put NQ out of the water. I don't think the sell-off. It's so hard to say with NQ, man. NQ is just like one of those plays right now that doesn't make a lot of sense. It doesn't not make sense, but it doesn't make a lot of sense. You guys know what I mean? Hopefully you guys can hear me better there. There we go. Only got filled on half as well. There it is. So there you guys go. Did indeed buy that. As you see, I was not lying about that Cash App thing. As you've seen, I do use Cash App for all of it. I think you guys should do the same as well. If you guys ever plan to, like, I don't know, if you guys are ever buying anything, whether it be your Netflix subscription, whether it be this and that, just do it on. Don't do it with like a card that, like, you know you got like a decent amount on. Let's go with that. Do it on some like card that you just stick money in to buy things. Stick money in to buy things. You know why? Because then you never have to worry about paying them, baby. It's like if they hit you and you want to pay it, then you just pay it, right? Now I say this, but on maybe a thing like Apex or like funded accounts getting funded, maybe you do want to pay that because if you miss your payment, then they can, right? But maybe that's the only exception. But like for your Netflix, your Hulu, your gym membership, whatever it may be, dude, just do like, because you can always just nothing happens if you miss your payment. It's not like there's any like fee or anything, you know what I mean? Like, nothing happens, okay? Obviously, like your credit card bill or whatnot, yeah, it's different. So yeah, that's just a little YB knowledge there, guys. Don't be doing that, because then you'll look at your statement and you'll have all these things, dude, all these subscriptions, bro, that add up to like, I don't know, $1,000 to $3,000 depending on what you're subscribing to. I mean, okay, if you got $300, $3,000 in subscriptions, bro, I don't even know $3,000 worth of things you can subscribe to, bro. Unless it's like, once again, if it's for a business or something, that's different. But if it's for like personal use, like I said, your daily coffee run, your Netflix or whatever it is, just boom, bro, just boom. Also set up a junk email too. Anytime you go to like malls or you go out or something and they request an email, Just be like, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like, I don't know, like nipple liquor 35. Like, I don't, dude, like some, you know what I mean? They'll be like, for real? I'll be like, yeah. Then they're like, oh, okay, never mind, he wasn't lying. They'll be like, all right, there we go. Don't give them like your personal email, because then, dude, you'll be flooded then too. It's like you gotta set up. It's just tactics. Gotta stay smart out here, man. Dash, don't just, you don't want like a million emails. Speaking of that, let me do my lookaroon. All right, let's see. So yeah, buddy. Like I said, guys, just holding this trade out. I expect more lows to come in on it. NQ, why do I expect more lows to come in? NQ is just one of those plays, man, where it's just been a downward spiral, man. And then speaking about that, here, let me go. Dumparuski inbound on NQ there, guys. Dumparuski.
It's a mystery where Old Spice finds its amazing scents like Himalayan sea salt.
There you go.
All
All
right.
right.
So
So now I got the other one loaded up. Good to go.
Like Old Spice Gentleman's Blend Himalayan sea salt body wash. Now, if only there was
Sea salt body wash, baby.
Indian subcontinent from the
Oh man, bro, look at these blue chips. That's why, bro. That makes so much sense. Damn, Microsoft. Microsoft, dude. Dumparuski on the day so far. Microsoft down, Meta down, Nvidia down, Tesla rebounding, Apple down but floating near the lows. Apple down but floating near the lows. Wow, dude. You want to talk? Okay, dude, what is going on with these ads, bro? Okay, I can't stand ads, bro. All right, you want to tick YB off? Give me some ads. Give me some ads. Huh? All right.
Here's everything.
Okay, and here's another ad, bro. Okay, dude, and that's it. That's wraps. And then done. There we go. There it goes, baby. Dumparuski. Guys, this is only on 5 micros as well. This is only on 5 micros, guys. This is only on 5 micros, guys. What a beauty, honestly. Honestly, top 10. Top 10, beautiful tier. Let's see why this is happening. Let's go to NQ overall again. Take a look. Yup. NQ overall. Oh, Apple coming down as well, guys. That could be helping this out. Apple, about a flush here, man. Take a look at Apple. Look at that low pushing. If this thing goes red, dumps below this, I think NQ's coming down. Apple makes up a good percentage of it. Here's overall NQ coming down to these points. Look at this, guys. Just look at how they correlate. Look at how NQ overall and NQ correlate. Right? You want this to dump down. You, what is it? You want to see these all fall, basically. So, yeah, buddy. Now, obviously, if S&P starts to rip and run here, I could see NQ doing the same. So, I am going to put a stop, add some take profit. Not a lot at all. Oops. But I'm going to put a stop near my TP. Excuse me. That's my stop loss. My stop near break even. Stop near break even. Once you get in the money, then you put your stop near break even. You'll catch, like, what is that, like 10 bucks on it if it hits. If it doesn't hit, continues to sell off, that's fine. It's just riding the 9 then. A stock like RTY right now, you're not going to want to touch at all. So, I don't know if we have any new 2024 TradeCaster members or anything. Any new YouTube members checking out the channel or anything like that, guys. But these are just certain things you're not going to want to do, man. Like, you see how choppy RTY is? The up-down momentum. I personally just would not be touching this. Obviously, certain traders have certain strategies. Mine just don't really correlate with this, other than dip buys off of the 250-day bounce. But I just personally wouldn't touch it. It's just not. It's like an kind of play. All right.
Stop filled.
So there it is, guys. Like I said, 20 bucks where you're gonna lock up on that. So I'm gonna switch back over to this one. This is the fresh one, fresh ED. And I'm gonna wait, guys. Now today, oh man, dude, it's so hard to say. Let's look at the economic calendar. Some of you guys are like, YB, is today gonna be clean? Is today gonna be a great day? Is this week gonna be clean? Is this week gonna be a great week? It's just so hard to say because of everything that's happening. So we have no big news coming out today. Nope. No big news today, so we're going to go to the economic. Yes. Let's go here. So PMI, construction spending in 1 minute. Maybe Friday. Oh, they added Saturday, huh? Maybe Friday. That's it. Maybe Friday. Yeah. I just, you know, maybe this. I think the service PMIs will have a move, but not like a great move. You know what I mean? I think that service PMI on Thursday will have a move, just not a great move. Here we go back up to there. Yeah, guys. I mean, maybe what I say, Thursday, Friday, Friday. Maybe Thursday, maybe Friday. But it's just the week it is, man. So 2 weeks ago, it was a little slow and choppy, right? Obviously, there wasn't any big news, nothing really going on. Kind of wrapping up, Christmas coming out. Then the next week, okay, now we have New Year's week. Now there's not that many traders because they're still on Christmas break, everything. Now coming back, now we might have some traders, but a little bit less volume. Everyone's kind of getting back into the rhythm, everything like that. Next week is when, and I know this holiday season, guys, it's like, man, YB, every week is next week. Next week is when I really do think we're going to get some sort of move. By the way, I do like MNQ here. I might take a position here.
Order filled.
I'm going to take it. I'm going to have my stop at, what is that? 801. Not that I think that'll hit. Oh, shit. Yeah, all depends on the S&P here. I might even have it closer if the S&P doesn't, you know, if the S&P breaks. But, I mean, it rejected that 200-day right there. Did break its view up, but rejecting the 200-day makes me feel confident on it. Kind of one of the strategies. But we also have that 50-day right there on NQ overall, right? Now let's take a look at, ooh. I guess we'll see here. Will we start to take off? Will it be the top right here? Could be a topping point right here, coming back down here shortly. NQ overall right there, guys. As you see that little bit of a double top area, could fall back down or have to be. There's a lot of resistance is what I'm trying to say. It's like, YB, what are you trying to say here? I'm just trying to say there's resistance. Okay, all right, we got you. All right, thank you. It's like, yep, made yourself clear. All right, thanks, bud. Like, so that's about it, man. Chilling out. I need some more coffee in me. Not kosher. Well, can't do that. That's risky. There we go. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, guys, so we're waiting and watching here, man. I think if the S&P, even if the S&P pulls up a little bit more, there's just still too much resistance for me to feel confident in longs. Like, I would not get longs right now, guys, at these highs. I just don't think it's ethical. Well, ethical. Ethical is a little bit of a different wording. That's not the word I'd use for this. I just don't think it's very clean. Guys, I actually need this for something. This is for later. Trust me. It's worth it. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. Whew. That is crazy, bro. Guys, this PC's not even that old, dude. I was trying to re-download COD from one of my boys. Not even gonna lie, ladies and gentlemen. About to run up some COD later. But, oh my, dude. 180 gigabytes? What? Excuse me? Excuse me? Please tell me that is not real. Like, guys, see you later. Gonna have to delete OBS Studio so I can play COD. Like, damn. It's crazy. Not actually. Not actually. That is crazy, though. 180 gigabytes, dude. Let me tell you. I need to get a terabyte up in here. I don't even think my stuff's a terabyte, dude. Okay, and some of you guys are like, YB, I have absolutely no idea what you're even saying right now, dude. And you guys that say do a little bit of, alright, I didn't even know what a terabyte was that long ago, so I can't even act like I'm all that. Shit, I think Darth Trader had to explain to me what that means. I don't know if he's in the chat, but good looks, buddy. Yeah, guys, I do expect this to come back down here, man. What a beauty. Only thing is, I want to see S&P break these points here. While NQ's on the opposite end, the opposite spectrum of those, I want to see S&P break through these points down to the bottoms. So I want to see S&P break its view up in 50-day to the downside, come push like 471.50. I know that that's the lows basically, but that's kind of what I'm looking at. NQ would then be pushing like 719 as well. That's basically where we're at, boys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, not just boys. Men and women of the world. Beautiful people. Smart people. Enthusiastic. Articulate. Masters of the universe. All of you people. And then any guy named Phil up in here. All of those people. And then any guy named Phil. What do I have against Phils? Kidding, guys. That was the first thing that popped in my head. Hitting YouTube with a good yeah, buddy. Hopefully you guys are having a great day, man. We're riding this trade out, guys. I do want you to know. We're just sitting in it, chilling out. I do expect that fall to come in. Today is Tuesday, correct? Okay. My whole week was about to be thrown off if it was not Tuesday, guys. Oh yeah, I will not be live. I probably will not be live Friday either, guys. Just want a little heads up. Got a couple things to do, so I will not be live Friday as well. Just giving you guys a little heads up. So it's gonna be a little bit. I know back-to-back like 3-day weeks for me. So I think it's like back-to-back 3-day weeks for me, man. But honestly, man, I've been enjoying them. I can't complain. I mean, you know, I honestly with less when you. I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it other than, for one, you have to know that you're an amazing trader. And once you know that you're an amazing trader, it just kind of happens, right? I don't, like, that's the way I can put it with, like, manifestation and everything. Not only that, but once you guys start to realize that, like, you don't need to trade every day, you kind of are like, oh, okay. Because you can make the same amount. Because let's say you have a red day. All right, well, that day's thrown away. Let's say you come in, you have 3 really good green days. That's it, right? And then your mentality is even better as well, right? Because you already know you're a really great trader. Like, I know I'm an amazing trader, but the thing is, it's like when I take these little days off or whatnot, for my personal life, I feel like when I get in here, I'm a little bit more refreshed. You know what I mean? You come into the market a little bit more refreshed. You're not so like, oh man, the market, money, and everything. Like, you know, so it's really how I view it. By the way, yeah, if this breaks right here, guys, dump a Rooski, bro. So we're at a tough spot right there. A little bit of a tough pickle. A little bit of a tough pickle right at that view up in 50 day, guys. I would love to see that dump a Rooski as it just did off that 50. It doesn't look bad, actually. Nah, I do like it. I do like it still. I like NQ overall. Yeah, I like Apple. Apple looks beautiful here. I think Apple can help NQ really start to sell off. What else here? Microsoft coming down. This is on a 5-minute, guys. Microsoft died today, bro. So did Meta and what is that, Amazon? No, Nvidia. Nvidia took an L as well. Did Nvidia ever break 500? Oh, it did. 505. Did indeed. Yeah, they're just selling off, man. So I'm looking for those to come back in here. NQ overall, really getting that. Oh, man, that next leg's right there, dude, to the downside. It's basically forming that leg down, baby. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, buddy. So that's kind of, yeah, that's my thought process, guys, going into it. Beautiful day, beautiful year. Cannot complain. So looking for 720. Is that what this would be? Yeah, I just want to see what happens when we get down there. I mean, this any green to red here, I think we are going to start to sell off down to 40 and then down to 20, guys. Right there, green to red. I think we're coming down to 40, then down to 20. NQ overall, nice. Individually, these are coming down. Tesla might be leading the pack. Tesla may be leading the pack here, looking for 40. So want to see this. I like it. Like I said, any green to red, I could see 40 here. Oh, S&P as well helping out. I didn't even see that. S&P right there, man. Give me that red. Give me that red underneath the 50 and view up, baby. Right there, any green to red movement. I think if it pushes 7-2 again and we break 7-2, that's where we'll see the sell-off really come in. NQ, I need to push 1430. NQ overall, excuse me. 1430 on this would be beautiful, yeah. Waiting and watching. Bit of a push to a pullback, I think. Just waiting and watching, guys. This could be a dip buy. Waiting and watching. So what's my thought process? Right here was a pullback to a dip. My only thing is I don't want to see higher lows. I do want to see this kind of come back down. Basically, make these lower highs and then eventually crack this point right here. So we came down to 50, which is beautiful. I want to see it come back down one more time and see what it can do, guys. Why am I still thinking bearish a little bit? Because we're underneath a lot of these points, man. We're underneath a lot of these points still. You know, even on ES, yup, S&P, we're underneath a lot of points. RTY coming down. So, I am thinking a little bit short. Coming down here, starting to come down a little heavier here, starting to love it, guys. I want to see that 30 come in on NQ overall. I want to see this 440 come in, 16740 here coming in, guys. Starting to break any higher lows right there. I'm starting to love it. I want to see that crack right there come down to 40, ladies and gentlemen. Basically this point right here on S&P, I want to see break, come down to 472. 472 looks beautiful here. We break it, come down to 472. I'm with it. There it goes, guys. Starting to break it down to 472. Right there it is. Want to see that break. Starting to come back down here. Want to see 40 coming to play. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we're looking at. What we're looking for, baby. Feel like a glazed donut on a Saturday. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, starting to get your shorts coming in, baby. Boom, baby. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Great start to 2024, man. Want to see 472 come down and crack now, and this flush to continue all the way down to 20 here. 40 coming in, that's what I want to see. Then I want to see it down to 20. Original game plan on now, baby. On now, baby. So I want to see 40 hit. May take half there. Want to see how it reacts first. Want to see how it reacts to 40 first. Am looking for some red. Nice. I don't want to see it ever. I don't want to see it really push back up. I want to see it hold underneath there on S&P. Looking beautiful, holding underneath. NQ holding underneath. I like it, guys. I like it for more of that crash and sell-off, guys. Right there it is, pushing those lows. Beautiful. Beautiful, breaking 40 now, guys. Beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful play, beautiful day, baby. So there you guys go. There you guys go, man. Yup, this is what I'm looking at right here. S&P green to red. More of a flush coming in. Green to red on that, more of a flush coming in. Waiting and watching, guys. Alright.
Order filled.
Sold half, holding half. Stop loss on the other half is going to be like 6,150. Basically, oh. Right up there. And I want to see these continue to flush now, though. Right back above it to the next low is basically what I want to see. Now I want to see it kind of trap pattern. Beautiful trap pattern. Hit me with it, bro. Hit me with it, bro. On all plays here. On all plays. S&P, NQ, bro. Oh, man. What a beauty about a hit. Coming right back down to that low. I want to see that trap pattern hit, man. NQ overall can flip. Oh, man, dude. It was beautiful trap pattern, man, coming in. Woo! So hopefully you guys caught this play with me, man. I mean, bingo bongo, baby. Let's go, dude. Like, let's go, baby. Bingo bongo, baby. Alright, baby. I don't even know what's going on right now. I don't even know what we're listening to. You want to be honest? I don't even know what we're listening to. I couldn't tell you what kind of music we're having on. Alright, hopefully that's like very quiet background music. Nothing too crazy. Dude, the upper shadows are wild right now, bro. The upper shadows are wild right now, bro. NQ overall, let's see. Yup, dude. Guys. Wild right now, bro. Back underneath the view up 50, 9, 200. Back beneath all of them, man. Insanity. Insanity, some may say. Absolute utter insanity, some may say. It's one of the words I would use, I think.
$1 million protection package. LifeLock is the New Year's resolution
LifeLock.
that's easy to keep. Join now. Go to lifelock.com.
I ain't going to nothing, buddy. I'll tell you that now. Let me tell you something, buddy. I ain't going to nothing, buddy. Let me tell you. Hey, what's up, Ryan? What's up, buddy? Hope you're having a great day. Good start to 2024. Hopefully, Sunday fun day didn't get you, a little bit too much fun. Okay? Yeah, buddy. Hopefully, New Year's Eve didn't, make you have a little bit too much fun, Ryan. No, I'm kidding, bro. Hopefully you're chilling out, man. Hey, hopefully you're having a great 2024, dude. Start. Beautiful market today, man. Beautiful market. Can't complain. Loving it. Yeah, anyone here, man? Anyone here have like any crazy New Year's Eve stories? Anyone here have like any New Year's Eve like crazy stories, man? Love to hear about them. I'm intrigued. My New Year's Eve was pretty chill. It was pretty chill. Compared to like 2 years ago, my New Year's Eve, I ended up at, I'm not gonna say whose house. But let's just say some like reality TV show personnel's house. They like had their own reality TV show for a while there. I don't even know. I didn't know about that until afterwards. But anyways, I ended up there, and let's just say the father in said reality TV show ended up taking my my buddy's keys, who I was with, right? And like the second we get there, he's like, all right, yeah, you guys can stay and chill out, but you guys have to like give up your keys. And they're like, okay. And I'm like, whoa. I'm like, I do not plan to be here all night. Like, let's chill out, okay? And actually, you know what? I'm just exit this.
Order filled.
I'm okay with the gains on that one. 500, yeah. Anyways, I'm sitting there chilling, and he's like, yup, we need the keys, and they all just handed their keys, like, oh yeah, it's fine. We'll get them back later, or whatnot. When I tell you, I was up till probably about 4 a.m. trying to convince this man to give me the keys, because I did not drink at all. When I mean I was trying to tell this man, like, yo, buddy, yo, I need to get out of here, dude. I was like, yo, because I was still talking to this girlie at the time, and I was like, yo, like, I need to get out, like, bro, she probably thinks I am, like, you know what I mean? And he's just like, blah, 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 blah. Obviously, he had a couple drinks. So my New Year's Eve 2 years ago was probably the craziest one I've had. It was amazing, super fun time, super lit party. But then when push came to shove about the keys, it just wasn't budget. And my buddies were all slumped on the couch and everything. I'm like, I was like, bro, I gotta get out of here. I'm like, I was going crazy, dude. I ended up losing my phone there. Oh man, it was, yeah. Started off, what was that, 2022? I think I started off 2022. Not a fun night, let me tell you. Okay? That was a wild time. Alright. Bro, I just got off the phone with my girlfriend. Just told me my white Lulu. So Ryan did indeed have a fun New Year's Eve. Okay. Great time. Yo. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Livid, dude. Yeah, my boy is not having it. Oh, that's hilarious, bro. Did you and your girlie spend it together though? Did you guys spend it together? Dude, there's probably so much going down in Florida. I couldn't even imagine, bro. Oh my goodness. New Year's Eve in Florida, bro. I should have been there. Should have been there, guys. my normal travel adventures of just randomly sporadic, literally out of nowhere, just going to Florida. Done that about, like, I think 7 times. Literally, it'll be like, hey man, we still on go to the gym at this time? It's like, nah, I'm actually in Florida, bro. It's like, dude, you were here like 5 hours ago. It's like, we literally talked about this morning. Like, what do you mean you're in Florida? It's like, oh yeah, dude, I don't know what happened. It's like, yeah. It's like, oh, okay, alright. Actually played poker New Year's Eve with her friends, then went to sleep at 12:15, sick to the end of the year, winning a poker game. Oh! Ah, okay. So this guy won some buckaroos, and then he decided to walk away. You know, that's actually funny you say that, Ryan. Wednesday, I learned how to play poker for the first time. And I was up, so I went all in on my first hand, right? Bro, get your ass down. Yo, bro, dude, you already know. No. So I went, so I didn't really know how to play, so I just was like, all right, I'll go all in. And I just went all in, and they were all like, okay. And like, my one buddy was like, dude, I'll match you, whatever. Let's do it. And I ended up winning. And then I thought, well, it's the best thing ever. I'm just going to do it every time. And I went all in on I went not all in, but I used basically like 75%. Basically like everything I just made. And then I ended up just obviously losing it. And then what's crazy though is then the rest of the game I understood, okay, so like you got to do blah, blah, blah. And then I ended up making it all back. And then we ended then. Yeah. Yup. Bro, yep, you already know, baby. Yup. We weren't playing with like big bucks. It's not like we were like balling or anything. No, don't worry. It's like YB's now a millionaire. It's like YB's now not a millionaire. YB's now like a billionaire. We'll go with there. There you go. YB's now a billionaire. It's pretty similar to trading, not Ryan. That is I don't think that's true in any sense. This guy said it's pretty similar to trading. Luck of the cards. This guy, yo, he's like, well, my trading strategy. Like, what's yours? He's like, well, I mean, like, you know, I wake up, I buy at 9:15, it hits or it doesn't. I'm like, all right. Ryan's having. That is a bold statement, buddy. It's pretty similar to trading. That's hilarious. And that's why people think we are degenerates. And that's why people think we are absolute utter degenerates. Thought you would like that one. Yeah, buddy. Oh, you're a funny guy. Funny guy, Ryan. Oh, man. So, chilling out on the day, guys. I mean, up 500 on it. Off the rip. Loaded this one up today, dude. So, can't complain. I mean, I got a nice, as you can see, I got a nice short. And I just wrote it. Got a nice short. I bought. And me buying here was kind of me being like, I'm okay with exiting the trade. My stop was 61.50 anyways. Never hit. Coming back down to lows. Beautiful play. But, yeah, man. I mean, so that was kind of it. And these lows I expect to hold up. Do I use level 2? Actually, I used to use level 2 for, what is it? For, options. Options, I'm not against it. Futures, for some reason, my strategy's adjusted to more or less kind of seeing my level 2 is really the chart, right? So knowing that there's resistance coming up into play here. Why did I even get short in the first place here? Well, coming up, that was the 200 here. So look at the time here. I got short at the time of 10:01. 10:01 here hit this 200, right? Coming up into play, I seen some resistance. I took it. My stop loss anyways was going to be 8:01, right? So it wasn't going to be like, so it was going to be 8:01 to all the way. So it wasn't a bad RR ratio right there. But yeah, so that was basically it. I mean, and I seen that there's a lot of resistance on all of these across the board. So that's kind of how I usually trade with these. I'm not against the level 2. Sometimes the level 2 is just a little bit too much data. Unless you're penny stock trading. Unless you're...
His ear said Maraca, senor, but his nose said, hey, freshest scent ever.
Yo.
Following his nose, Jim found a man pouring gain scent bead
Yo.
into the washer. The scent...
Sounded like something I can't say. Alright. But yeah, using penny stocks, I'm not against level 2s. It depends on like where you're at options wise, like on Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, on all the blue chips. I'm not against level 2s. I think the thing I like about trading is simplicity, right? I like simplicity. The simpler it is, the better it is, right? That's kind of how I view it. It's like if it's a simple trading strategy, like comes up here, okay, hey, it is pretty clear to reverse or whatnot. Okay, I'm gonna take it, ride it down, ride it all the way down. Simplicity is better. The more complicated you get, the harder your trading becomes. The harder your trading strategies become. So And you have those guys that use the Fibonacci and the fair value gaps and all that stuff, and that works. Like, that does work. It's just you have the guy that has to do this. You have the guy that does this. He has to come here. He has to take whatever this is. Let's go with like this. He has to go to the low all the way up to the high and spread this out across 34. He has to see an uptrend on the 34-day EMA coming across to 9, and he takes a short and he banks $500, right? And it's like, yo, dude, that's great. Like, that's awesome. Like, good stuff. But then you have the guy like myself that sees that, okay, we have a 200 coming up, we have a 50 coming up, we have a 200 coming up, we have a 50-day and a view up coming up on NQ overall. I'm gonna take a short, and I bank the same amount. Same thing. You guys are both banking, that's fine, but one person doesn't, is simpler. Then you got the other guy who's also stressed out because the Fibonacci retracement and the VWAP aren't lining up correctly, so he might be in a negative, and you have someone, you know, that is just taking off the 200, that's just chilling out. You know what I mean? So, that's just, I like simplicity, and the level 2 started to confuse me a little bit, because sometimes the level 2 will go against some of my other plays, some of my other indicators. So, yeah. Ryan's like, bro, I just asked if you use the level 2. It was a yes or no answer. He's like, Ryan's like, bro, that was a yes or no answer, dude. I didn't need you to go that much into detail. He's like, he could have said yes, could have said no, but thank you. He's like, but thanks for the explanation, YB. I appreciate it. No, that was helpful. All right, I got you, buddy. I got you. Nah, dude, but yeah, level 2 is great. Also, talk about some blue chips today. Woo, let's go into detail, baby. Yo, someone get my boy Meta and bring him back to life, cause he's gone. Someone get Microsoft and tell him, you know, he's upstairs. Something's going on up there. He needs to get back up there. Apple as well. About to sell off completely, dude. A little bit of a shelf crack. Like, these plays are coming down, let me tell you. Nvidia. Yo, my bro Nvidia is down to the gutters, dude. So, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. And I knew that sell up, bro. Oh, what a beauty. My stop would have never hit either. My stop was right here, guys, at 50. 61.50, my stop would have never hit, guys. That's why sometimes holding your plays out. Hey, what's up, Torn Trader? Very helpful. Get into that next short. What's up? Oh, you got into it? You got into it there, Torn Trader. There we go. There we go. So, dude, yeah, like I said, guys, I hope you guys are having a profitable 2024 already, man. Banking coming in. Alright, guys, wait. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Gotta go violate a tissue. Give me like 5 seconds, guys. I'll be right back. Charts are up, by the way, guys. So here's it is. I could see a double bottom right here in this area on S&P. If it starts to break, look for 471. NQ as well. Not much holding it up anymore. Same with RTY coming below the 200. Just gotta wait, watch, and see. I'll BRB. Give me 1 second.
Your hands on me. Tired of talking, want your lips on my neck. Don't go thinking like that. Don't go thinking like that. Don't go thinking like that. You know I want you so bad. Don't go thinking like that. Don't go thinking like that.
There we go, guys. All right. Let's see. Caught that SPY sell-off this morning, but haven't entered anything else. Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bro. I mean, oh, this one, yup. Yup. Yeah, I caught the next one, not this one. But, dude, look at that. And I expect a dip buy at this rate. Look at that support, man. 16,702. Oh, dude, are any of you guys in, like, Bitcoin or Ethereum, bro? Alright, hold on, bro. I gotta download COD, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold up. Let me bring up my files. Alright. I know some of you guys are like, YB. YB. We're stock trading right now. Guys, you gotta take it low key this time of year. Alright. And Call of Duty is about 190 gigabyte game. So your boy gotta, you know, delete a couple things. See what's in my recycling bin. Oh! That's why. Because they don't actually delete. Alright, now I should have enough room. Get that shit going. Yo, this guy, dude. Yo, I've had it going. I'm actually not much of a dude. I used to love video. I'm not much of a gamer anymore, bro. But like my buddy's hitting me up and he's like, him and like my other buddy. They're like, yeah, hop on in like near 11 or 10:30 or 11. And I'm like, all right, well, we'll see. I don't think I got anything going on too much. I've been working, by the way, guys. I'm gonna come out with really. Anyways, yeah, if I were you guys, I'm looking into. Oh, that's crazy you said that. I deleted TikTok, done with it. All right, when the boys are on, you can't do anything about that. Yeah, right, dude. No, I'm looking into the TikTok creator program. I've started up a couple things. I'm looking into a couple other things. Once I master it, guys, I will be kind of throwing it in there on YB Consulting as well. Once I master that. Oh! That button is out, bro. Hey, if any of you guys are feeling gracious, anytime, guys. Okay, so there's gonna be a dono button coming up, ladies and gentlemen. There's gonna be a donation button coming out on Tradecaster finally, but this is gonna be used for more than donations. I have a plan for this. I'm gonna use this button for a lot more than that. Basically, I don't need YB Consulting if I have this button. YB Consulting is mainly. Hold on, let me turn this girl off. YB Consulting is mainly for Tradecaster members, so that's the whole point, and that's why it was so cheap, because it's for Tradecaster members. You guys are already paying so and so amount every month. That's why it's so cheap, just due to the fact that you guys are already paying enough. So this is kind of an add-on to it, right? So that's really what this is gonna be. The dono button, I'm gonna use it for classes and stuff. I'm not gonna be using it more like. Obviously, you can if you want, but that's like, I'll just put it towards a class then. You know what I mean? I'm not going to be using a donation button for donations. It's only going to be meant for YB Consulting and stuff like that. So basically, let's say you donate $10 and you leave a message with it, right? I'm pretty sure you can do that. I got to talk to Deck. You have to be able to leave a message or else this won't work either. But you can leave a message, just leave your email with it. And then I'm going to hit up your email, get everything good, and then we'll get on the Zoom call for YB Consulting. I already told you guys basically what it is. I did a couple sessions, a couple test runs already, and we're good to go. So basically, but I've shut down it because I knew this was coming out. And I was like, okay, well, I might as well wait, because, I mean, I'm paying for Wix programming. I'm paying for literally my domain name. I'm paying for all this stuff for no reason when it's only meant for Tradecaster members. And, like, obviously a couple of my buddies as well. But, yeah, that's really it. You know? So it's like, it's not really meant for any, it's supposed to be an exclusive, because, dude, think about how cool it is if we can all work each other up here on Tradecaster, and then literally it's like, yo, bro, there's not like there's less than 10% of Tradecaster members making under 6 figures. Like, imagine, dude, that's the goal, bro. That'd be crazy. You guys heard my goals before, obviously, to educate, obviously, like 95%, but I gotta start somewhere, and with you guys is basically where I want to. I think that that's the best idea. So yeah, dude, that would be crazy. This community would be popping, dude. It'd be awesome. So yeah, once I get that figured out, ladies and gentlemen, that'll be there. Yeah, I'll obviously, and I'm gonna list below. I'm gonna have in the bottom right hand of my stream layout the prices for the classes or whatnot. Like I said, it's gonna be like $5, $10. Whole point is that you guys are there. And here's another thing too. This is a psychological thing. This is a psychological thing, and this is the truth because I've done it. When I was getting into real estate, when I was getting into wholesale real estate, right? Big into wholesale real estate, learning about it, getting everything good to go. My buddies are into it now, so I'm continuously learning about it. That SMMA, all these other business models and everything when I was younger and everything. Bro, I would not actually like dedicate myself to it unless I threw in a little bit of money. When you're joining a free webinar, you're there for 10 minutes and you click off it. If you spent $10, $20, $30 on that webinar, right, to be there, even on a webinar, not even a live class, bro, you're gonna be there and you're gonna watch the whole thing. You're like, well, I put money into it. You're like, well, now I'm already into it. I already invested into it, so now I'm not gonna waste it. That's how it works. When you guys get things for free, just like anything, if you guys got a free Ferrari, you guys would be like, oh, this is cool, this is great. You'd like it for a couple months, a couple years or something. You'd probably end up selling it, taking that cash and reinvesting, right? If you bought that Ferrari yourself, you guys would be like, yo, dude, like, I love this. This is my car, bro. Like, this is the best thing ever. Like, I'm driving this everywhere, bro. Like, whipping it everywhere, picking people up. Why? Because you earned it. And when you earn something, dude, it is unlike when someone gives you something, bro. When you earn it, it is literally no better feeling in the world, dude. I mean, and like, hey, don't get me wrong. If you're whipping around in the Ferrari and someone gave you it, hallelujah to you, bro. Hit YB's line. I mean, you know what I'm saying, dude. Let me know. But you guys get what I'm saying. Maybe we'll downsize and say Kia Soul. All right, Kia Soul. Somebody gives you a Kia Soul, you really might sell it. You know, maybe we'll stick with that. Maybe not a Ferrari. But I know if I earned my Kia Soul, I'd be whipping that thing every day. You know, a 2024, you know, all electric, square box. Amen. Let's turn this music back on so it doesn't get awkward. There we go. Spy at Lowe's. Dude, it's just chilling right now, man. It is just chilling out right now, man. I got no... Okay, hold on. Let's see. It's probably all my files. I have like 1 million files. So I'll be using that, by the way. Just wanted you guys to know. Oh, I know it's taking up so much space. Florida trip, bro. Oh, no, dude. I can't delete those. My one Florida trip, I had my camera that I lost, dude. And I never got that video done. Oh, bro. Oh, my goodness, bro. I can get that video done now. I know how to edit now. I completely... I can get that video done now, guys. That one I was supposed to get done in like April of like last year. No, when was that? That was like August. I can actually get that done now. Sorry, I forgot to close that down, guys. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Am I interested in another trade? It all depends, man. I'm already green on the day. A 500 on it. You know, you don't really... The thing is, you get in, you get out. Obviously, if another trade presents itself, I'm about it. But, you know, don't be going crazy. But yeah, guys, I'll be getting that video done now that I know how to really edit and stuff. Because I've been editing for, what is it? YB Consulting. Excuse me, not YB Consulting. For TikTok creator program. Yep. And if any of you guys need help with that, bro, feel free to hit me up. I'm not a professional. I know if we have SpyProb or Forbes up in here, if either of those guys hop in here, they've both ran their accounts up to past 10K a month, like 10K followers. So they get paid now. I'm not a professional. I'm just starting in it. So obviously they're gonna be. So if you guys ever see Forbes or SpyProb in the chat, make sure to hit them up over it, because they've done it. They've done the work. They're getting paid. So, you know. Think about it. Once you hit 10K a month, every video you get 1,000 views on, you get paid for. You get paid $1. But think about it. Once you see the money, bro, you get 1 million views, guys. That's $10,000. Think about that. On one video, you get 10 million views. That's $100,000. Why would you not hop on that trend, bro? Right? And it's free 99 as well. Let me put that out there. It's also free to do. You start an account, you grow it to a certain amount of followers, and you just keep going. You know, you just gotta hit the TikTok algo. You know what I mean? Just like with any TikTok. Yep. So guys, I mean, I very much would look into it. Here, let me show you one of these TikToks I made. Hold up. Let's go to CapCut. Dude, this TikTok got taken down like 7 times, bro. This TikTok got taken down 7 times or something crazy like that. Right here.
You know that Big Bargain detergent
You guys ready?
is 80% water, right? 80% water.
So I went on the more like, I went on TikTok creator program. And guys, once I master this, I also want to have this guy on. I'm in the works of getting him on. He runs a successful SMA company. What does he do? He does basically an arbitrage strategy. I think he runs up about 20 to 30K a month. I want to work something out with him. You know, I don't know the guy that much, but I want to see the numbers and everything first before I talk about it. But you know, I think he runs up. I don't know. He showed some numbers before. It was about 20 to 30K a month. Gonna do some talking, but and just see where he's at with this where he's at basically, and how did he start, what made him start. I think he looks really, I think he's younger. He's like 24, 25. That TikTok creator program, I'm gonna either master it myself and talk to you guys about it, or have someone on that's already mastered it. But yeah, basically, so here's one of the TikToks. Basically, that's all you do. So let me pull this up to the side here. Let me expand this here. Can you guys still see this? So I'm going on like the more motivational side of things. Now, this isn't what you guys have to do. I'm going to also be switching it out to I'm going to make another account to go to the more funny side, because those TikToks also hit. You guys ready?
Here's my theory.
Yeah.
When I was out about and I was having fun as a Christian man, I was waiting for the right woman.
Yeah.
And I came to this
I gotta
guy
work on
and he
the
goes, I
audio
don't
as
understand.
well.
I thought you were Christian. And I go, listen, bro, I'll be a good Christian man to a good Christian woman. When I find somebody who has good morals and I know that she'll have my back and she'll do good, and when God presents me that girl, I will be a good man to her. And he asked me something that changed my life forever. He goes, well, if you're the son of God and you're asking for his daughter, why would that father ever give you a daughter when you treat everybody else like garbage? And so I think when it comes to blessings, I believe that it's given from God.
Yep.
And to move on to new blessings, you have to handle what you've been given.
Agreed.
So if I've been given the fame and the money and the access to women, God's monitoring me. Okay, are you gonna go fool around, act like trash?
Can you be trusted?
Could you be trusted with this daughter that I have over here? Kind of like that picture where Jesus is holding a beautiful bear behind him, and then you're holding on to this lifestyle that you still want, but you're like, this is great. And God's like, no, give it to me. Show me you're ready for it, and then I'll present it, like any good father would be.
Absolutely.
And I did. I cleaned up my act. I was celibate. And I was showing
It's not
him,
perfect.
I'm trying now to be ready. And then I found a beautiful girl, and then I became monogamous, and then I have a good partnership. And here's the thing, I could lead that relationship anywhere I want. If I wanted to be opened, it could be there. Not saying that she's comfortable with it, but when it first started, I could plant the seeds into taking it any
Also,
direction that I want.
correct.
I'll
It
explain.
takes somebody with integrity to lead a woman
It's too
in the
long
right
for me. I don't like
direction.
how long it is.
I tell people all the time, I'm in charge of this relationship. God is in charge of everything.
Yeah.
So when my girl looks at me to lead the house, I gotta lead the house, but it's not from my needs.
Yeah.
Because if it was my needs, bro, she's out shit cold. That like she's not gonna get the best out of it.
Of course.
But now I have a God looking at me and monitoring it. You gotta love her like you love my church.
No.
Woohoo! That end hits, bro. That end hits, bro. Anyways, it's pretty long. That's what I don't like. I have a few others up, but what is it? Yeah, I just what is it? Yeah, dude, that's about it. That's about, I mean, that's all you gotta do, bro. And it's simple editing, bro. It's simple editing. What did I do? I took the clip, put it in here, added a couple jump cuts or whatnot. Obviously, throughout the video, had to edit the cuts out. Put the word real right there, bro. That's basically it. You come back here and you throw an audio in, man. You throw an audio in right there, basically space it out. I don't like the audio because it doesn't fit the whole video. You know what I mean? So it kind of cuts here and then goes back. I don't really like that either. But yeah, basically that. And then you just add a feature like a fade in feature where it just fades in. You see that? It fades in and then he comes in. And then here it completely cuts the music, cuts everything to say that last word, kind of that key hooked. You know what I mean? Kind of says that key hook, like, listen, you see how it goes from here to
Needs, bro. She's out shit
Just
cold.
listen, ready?
Like she's not gonna get the best out of it.
Of course.
But now I have a God looking at me and monitoring it. You gotta love her like you love my church.
No.
See that? See the end, it's like supposed to hit you, bro. It's like, yeah, you're right, I do. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. So then bada bing bada boom, baby. That's kind of how you do it. And then you just post that. But that got taken down so many times because of the audios. I gotta You know, obviously I got to keep working on the audio feature of it. I don't know why, because the sounds come from TikTok, yet they keep saying community guidelines are... I'm not going to go into it, but yes. All right, let me read some of these chats.
Ingredients.
All right, as I turn this advertising on. Listen to the podcast, 10 out of 10. Oh, that's understandable. I just do it for car. Right. I like the religion from George and different views from... Right. And that podcast, guys, if you haven't watched it, dude, go look up George Janko and Andrew Tate. I don't care if you're religious or not, or what you're not, or are, if you don't like Andrew Tate, if you do. It's a very real podcast. It's not fake. And it really, like, dude, there's certain things that just are just like, wow, bro, like that just stand out, dude, and it hits you, man, and you're like, that's crazy when you really think about it. And if you think about it and you're like, oh, well, YB, I'm not religious, I don't really believe in God and everything, that's fine. But this is the thing, even when I was a little bit hasty on my you know, my religion, I wasn't too quick to be like, oh yeah, I'm a Christian or whatnot back in the day or whatnot. I was like, yeah, I believe in God or whatnot. But I would still listen because I think it's interesting. Like, I'm not Muslim or Jewish, but I still listen to what Muslims and Jews sometimes have to say. Jewish people and Muslims, what they say about the Torah and the Quran, because I think it's interesting. I think it's interesting listening to their point of view, their world, because they're in a whole nother world. You think about it, right? You go to Dubai and you see a Muslim person and they're telling you about, you know, their book and whatnot, and it's crazy because then, you know, obviously you're sitting there and you believe, you know, in the Bible or whatnot, and it's just true. It's a debate, and it's not really, you don't got to go deep into it. It's just you can hear each other out from the point of views and be like, oh, well, you know, you're still with the, what is it, Book of Moses or whatnot, whatever it is, however it goes. Once again, I've never read the, and maybe I said that wrong, but the Quran or the Torah, I've never read either of them, okay? But yeah, dude, so it's like, you know, I don't know, I think it's interesting. Some people don't, I do, I'm that guy. But yeah, definitely check out the podcast, man, it's a great one. But does TikTok pay decent? So it's basically like 50 cents to $1, depending on what your niche is. Like, if your niche is like funny clips and stuff, it's probably gonna be on the lower end because it's not as educational. If you have an educational financial niche, you might get paid on the higher end because finance is kind of help. I don't know why. I think it's just because the financial aspect helps people out. So yeah, that's kind of my thought process to it. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's really it. I think they're supposed to pay around $1 per 1,000 views. So if you run up 1 million views on a video, you're making $10,000. If you run up $10,000 views on a video, 100,000 views on a video, you're making $1,000. Yeah, you not bad. Yeah, right, dude. Like, that's really not that bad. Like, I see videos out there, and all I see is money now, bro. When I look at TikTok views, I see people. Okay, that sounded like so greedy. No, when I see videos with like 200 million views, bro, that's like $200,000, bro, off one video. Like, you literally making that video and hitting post, you made $200,000. Think about that, bro. You literally made that video, maybe did a little bit of editing, hired some guy on Fiverr from like India to like, you know, to edit it for you, or like Pakistan or something. Like, literally, you can do that, and they'll edit it nicely and stuff. But they do that, bro, and you make 200K, you make 100K, you make $10,000, $1,000. It's like, bro, what? You know what I mean? And I don't know how long the creator program is gonna be around for. I don't know if they're gonna pay out this well forever, but yeah, I mean, they're paying out. I don't see why not, because they're probably banking themselves by doing this, by everyone creating content, and then people that are consuming content, and even the people that are creating content are consuming other people's contents on their For You pages. Bro, this guy is insane. So yeah, guys. So I would definitely check it out, look into it. It's definitely worth it. I mean, it's literally free to do as well, right? If you don't understand how to do it, like I said, I'm either gonna have somebody on here with YB Consulting, or I'm gonna do it myself once I master it. Once I make at least 10K off of it, that's when I'll tell you guys about it. Once I make 10K off of it, that's when I'll say, okay, I think I got this down a little bit. Let's see. And that could be one video. That could be one good edited video, man. Quality video. That's all it takes, is one quality video, and that's it. You made 10K. Or maybe a span of 4 to 5 different videos where you make, I don't know, 2.5K or 1,000. Maybe some videos you make $100. Maybe some videos you make $10. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter. You're still making. It's like you see the numbers come in. You're like, oh shit, that's actually going in my bank account. Even if it's $100, you're like, this works. You're like, huh? Now how can I scale this? Okay, hey, maybe I can reinvest this money into better editors than myself. Hey, how do I scale this? Okay, hey, maybe I'm gonna take these clips, send them to high quality editors, get some, you know, AI to start doing, you know, all the I guess you would say the what's it called, the what am I thinking? Oh, the captions, right? So you already know, baby. That's how we gotta do. All right, YB, I'm going to the gym starting 2024 green. Yeah, buddy. Hey, have a good one, Ryan. Hopefully you're having an amazing day, buddy. Enjoy your little pump session, man. So yeah, guys, that's basically all it is, man. That's a little bit into diving into the world of TikTok editing and stuff. You too, bro. Yeah, buddy. Take care, man. Yep. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's kind of where I'm at with it. Guys, I love it. I love the fact of it. And yeah, guys, I mean, hey, man, if you guys are going to be along for the journey, I'm going to be talking to Deck about that and getting it set up for all of you guys, for myself included, basically everyone. It's going to be awesome, man. I love it. Hopefully you guys are going to love it as well. So, yeah, buddy. But ladies and gentlemen, on that note, guys, I mean, what a way to wrap up 2023 into 2024 now, starting off, man, in the green. Loving it, man. Basically, not too many more trades I'm looking at. Kind of market sideways. If you guys are green as well today, maybe take a chill pill. I think this week's going to be slow as well. It's a 4-day week. Some people might still not even be trading. We have decent volume. We have 100K, which is normal. This is a normal amount of volume, I will say. Not a normal amount was like last Thursday, which was right around 50K per candle. So yeah, this is a very normal amount of volume right now. Very normal day, I guess you would say. So yup, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I guess that's it, man. I hope you guys have had an amazing Turn Tuesday. Making money, getting that green in, getting good, baby. YB, so there's a lot coming up, guys. I'm trying to have SMMA people on for social media marketing agency. If you guys are interested in that, I'm going to start the TikTok creator program, start talking about that. I'm going to be diving deeper into the psychological factor with Project 369. If you guys want to look into that as well, in your frequencies and your psychological part of trading and life in general to manifest what you want. I'm going to be looking at also trading strategies, looking at trading indicators, what I use, what I personally do every single day, and what top-notch traders, aka everyone here on Tradecasters that streams, and a lot of traders here, I'll be having them on as well. All on YB Consulting, guys. This is going to be coming out soon, whenever I get everything figured out with Deck and the dono button and everything, so you guys can all step into it, step in with me. I love you all. Let's get our first, yeah, buddy, of 2024 here, guys. Let's get it in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Woo, ladies and gentlemen, I love you all. Take care, guys, and I will see you all back here for freaking Wacky Wednesday tomorrow, man. Have a great one. Take it easy. Peace.
You deserve non-stop music, so why not let Spotify Premium serve up the music you love to listen to?